Hey guys, today I just want to quickly give you a big wave and show my face again, because the last couple of videos I just showed you a few tricks and tips and tricks on the screen sharing. Today it's just me, because I want to say hello and introduce myself again properly, like with my face. Me, hi, this is me. I'm Kerstin Begley, word shaker and website creation coach, and also your click-by-click tech guide. I have this idea that keeps coming into my head, that I want to be the person that shares everything I know about tech stuff, and to make tech easy for you, because you can do so much stuff yourself just by the click of a mouse. If you can click a mouse, you can build a website. If you can click a mouse, you can do so much, especially as a new entrepreneur. When you don't really have money growing on trees, you can't pay all that much money to get help, to get a website creator for you, or a website designer, for somebody to pay somebody to do it all for you. And you don't have to, because you can do it yourself. And I want to be here for you to show you how to do it click by click, because I've learned all of that myself. I was let down by a web designer after paying a lot of money, sending out 400 flyers inviting people to our website. When the website crashed, it was a complete nightmare. But it was a blessing in disguise, because it completely forced me to learn it myself, like literally overnight. I had to learn how to put up a landing page. I didn't even know what a button was, but I had to learn it. If I wasn't forced into that situation, into that nightmare, I would have never learned. And I want to encourage you to learn things yourself, to just do it. Sorry, I just went down the stairs. Somebody on the door. This only happens when you do something on video, of course. So, yes, you can do so much yourself. I promise you. You don't have to pay an arm and a leg. And I want to be here for you. I want to be your tech by tech, click by click tech guide. So that's what I want to do. That's what I'm here for. And I am answering all the questions in my Facebook group if you want to join me there. So that's more Squarespace focused, but I'm also answering MailChimp questions and these kind of things. So I think that's enough of rambling for me. If you want to get notified about my idea, membership site, very exciting, Click by Click Academy. If you want to be first to know, if you want to know how to get in, there will be a small fee, but it will be a tiny fee for beta clients, which I am really excited about. I don't even know what that's going to look like yet, what the fee is going to be, but I know it's going to be tiny, because I want you to play with it. I want you to get in there. I don't want the money to be an issue. I want you to realize how much you can do yourself without paying an arm and a leg, because you're only starting, or you are a new entrepreneur and money doesn't grow on trees. So let's do it. Let's have some coffee first. And yeah, let me know. The link to get notified first, to jump on my email list, is down below, with a very charming GDPR compliant opt-in form. So check that out. There will be also other freebies there too. Thank you for jumping on board. So let me know. Let's connect. Jump on the Facebook group. All the links are below this video anyway. So yeah, let's do it. Talk to you soon.